Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Sheen. Today is the first day of the Biden administration, and I have a very good stock, a very green stock that I think is going to do well during the Biden administration. The next few months, I think it's going to do very, very well. Going to take off, and definitely within the next few years, I think this stock is going to do, probably double, triple up. I can't say for sure, but I think it is going to do very, very well. I'm going to go over all the reasons in this video. So hope you find some value in this video. Check out my links in the description below for free money and free stocks if you sign up using my links in the description below. So let's get started. I like to first say this is not a political video. I have no political affiliations in this video. This is just about making money for you and for me. When Trump was in power, I talked about stocks that were good for Trump. Now Biden is in power, I'm talking about stocks that are good for Biden. So please, no negative political comments. I don't want to hear any. I don't want to read any political comments. This is just about making money. That's what I'm here for, is to make money, and no politics aside. So let's get started. First of all, I'd like to thank AT. He left me a comment about 5 days ago. What do you think of infrastructure energy alternatives, ticker symbol IEA, which has a market cap of 500 million and only 22 million shares float? With Biden promising record-breaking investments in clean energy, this company, which is getting abundant wind and solar. So thank you, AT, for leaving that comment. I hope you find some value in this video. Leave me another comment so I know what's up. Thank you very much. So let's get started. So like I said, the Biden administration, we all know that he has a plan to change the energy infrastructure in the United States, get off of fossil fuels and get into renewable energy, to lead the world in renewable energy in wind, solar, and basically clean up the economy, address climate change. So this is on his website. We need millions of construction, skilled trades and engineering workers to build a new American infrastructure and clean energy economy. Biden will make a $2 trillion accelerated investment with a plan to deploy those resources over his first term, setting us on an irreversible course to meet the ambitious climate progress that science demands. So infrastructure. Rebuild America's crumbling infrastructure, from roads to bridges to green spaces and water systems to electricity grids and universal broadband. For transit, this is good for all those EV plays, the EV bus plays, the line electrics, the green power motors. What else is there? There's like one after the other. Proterra. So this is going to be fantastic for those companies as well. The power sector, where I'm talking about this company specifically, IEA. Move ambitiously to generate clean American-made electricity to achieve a carbon pollution-free power sector by 2035. Buildings, install more efficient windows, which will cut residential energy bills. So that last one, I made a video about ticker symbol CFII. They're taking a company called View Public, VIEW, that addresses that smart windows, that glass that is energy efficient, that saves a building up to about 18% in energy costs, making the whole building more green, and wasting less energy. That is also a video to watch and a company to look out for that I'm very bullish on as well. But moving on. The ticker symbol I'm talking about today is IEA, Infrastructure and Energy Alternatives. It closed today at $22, basically $23. Market cap is 523 million on this. So what AT was talking about earlier is the float on this company, which is very interesting. So the float on this is only roughly 23 million shares outstanding. What does that mean? When a company has a very low share count, that means it is a very good candidate for the stock to just blast off as soon as people start paying attention to it. As soon as it gets on people's radars, it only takes a few 100,000 people to buy some shares in this company, or even less, just a few thousand, tens of thousands of people buying this company, buying this stock, could send this stock skyrocketing. So this is a very good candidate to double up, triple up your money in a very short amount of time, as soon as people start talking about this company. So if you share my video and more people share this video and we get the word out there about this company, I'm going to show you the numbers. I'm going to show you what they're doing, and this plays right into the infrastructure, green energy, wind, solar, renewables of the Biden administration. So I think this company is really going to take off in the next few months, and definitely in the next few years. I think this is probably a double up, maybe even a triple up company. So let's get started. So the overview: IEA is the ticker symbol that trade on NASDAQ. They're the leading infrastructure construction company with renewable energy and specialty civil expertise. So 66% of their revenue comes from renewables, which is wind and solar, and another 34% comes from specialty civil, which is like road construction, bridge construction, specialty paving, industrial maintenance, other state and government projects. So again, that's why this plays directly into the Biden administration and his $2 trillion infrastructure plan: wind, solar, renewables, bridges, roads, constructions, rebuilding American roads and highways. This company plays right into, like I said, right into the Biden plan. So look at these numbers: 45% year over year growth for their revenue. Went from 940 million, that was, I believe, as of third quarter of 2019, to third quarter of 2020 was increase of 45%, net income increase of 140%, gross margins increase of 82%, adjusted EBITDA increase of 83%. So they're estimating roughly $28.4 billion in revenue between 2020 and 2023 for grid, for utility scale wind and solar construction, and they're counting on this accelerated investment of that $2 trillion from the Biden campaign for modern, sustainable, and green energy infrastructure. This is their income statement. So very impressive in 2018. So I don't know why in 2017 it says zero. That's actually incorrect. In 2017, I believe they made about 400 million in revenue. So, Yahoo Finance just has it wrong there. But in 2018, they did about 779 million, 2019, 1.4 million, and the trailing 12 months, 1.8 million. Their net income, so they are making money. They're, positive. They're making money. They have, they made just over 13 million in revenue in the trailing 12 months. That is a 111% increase from 2019. This is their balance sheet. So their balance sheet is okay. It's not fantastic or anything, but they do have 824 million in total assets, while debt of 439 million. So this is what's very exciting. They're getting contracts left and right. I'm going to go over just a few of their latest contracts. So in December 2019, IEA, they secured a 185 megawatt wind construction contract in Illinois. January 12th, IEA secures $100 million wind construction contract, another one in Illinois. In January 14th, IEA was selected by Silicon Ranch to construct a 100 megawatt solar project in Georgia. In just a few days ago, January 20th, IEA secures 45 million wind construction contract, another one in Illinois. So this award is for the construction of a 118 megawatt utility scale wind farm in Lee County, Illinois. IEA will self-perform all the engineering, procurement, and construction needs of the project, including the construction of access roads, the improvement of nearby public roads, and erect collection systems. So, guys, that's why I think this company is, very underappreciated and, kind of under the radar now. Again, with the Biden administration, that $2 trillion infrastructure plan, this company plays right into the hands of the Biden administration. Very low float, just roughly 23 million shares out there. So it's not going to take a lot for this stock to skyrocket up as soon as people start talking about it. And people start buying into this company. They're making money. They have good revenues, growing revenues year over year, net income positive, growing net income year over year. So again, I think this company is bound to take off in the next few months as soon as people start realizing it. And with the Biden administration, I think this company is going to do well. So guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you found some value in this video. Are you interested in the energy space? I think the energy sector is going to do very, very well into 2021. Let me know what you think. Are you investing in energy stocks? Are you looking into this company, IEA? Have you ever heard of this company? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found some value, give me the thumbs up. Leave a comment in the description below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.